Good morning. Good morning. It's Friday, January 26th, 2024. My voice is a little I was really stopped up yesterday, and it's starting to finally come out a little bit, but it's all right. We're going to push through. We're going to do this show. We're going to complete a week of Lunar Beach's Crypto in the Morning, which is pretty awesome. I've never gone a whole week of doing lives, so that's cool. So yeah, we're going to talk about JP Morgan saying the sell-off is behind us. We'll see. Then we have Celsius moving a massive amount of... Dang. All right, Bitcoin's moving right now, yo. Short squeeze. Hold on. This is more important than anything right now. All right, so looks like we're getting a little bit of a short squeeze going on in here. All right. Let's go ahead, tap this on here. All right, so it's up to the macro 0.5. We're getting a little bit of a push. We've got a fair value gap up here that it just nailed. Excuse me. Good morning, Tony. Before I get into this, sorry, I saw the price action. I was just like, yeah. Good morning, Tony. Justin Eubanks. And I thought I saw someone else, or maybe that was in my Discord. Sniper's Nightmare. But have you tried soaking it in? Hold on. Have you tried soaking it in rice or unplugging it and plugging it back in? About my thumbnails? Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know what's going on with it. I don't know why it's giving me my yesterday's thumbnail. But after the show, I guess I'll just have to go in there and change the thumbnail. It is what it is. So yeah, we are getting a little bit of rejection here. Kind of expected when you're at a level like that. Maybe we can get up to that 0.786, which is the midpoint of this 1 hour or 4 hour fair value gap. Also would be watching this. I'd watch this level right here. If we get up here, cool. Now, remember, we've been waiting for one more pull down. One more move to the downside. I've been waiting all week for it. And this might be what leads us to it, or maybe we're done with the sell-off and we can get on moving out of here. But this week, we gotta start putting in more higher lows in here. We got 1 and 2, so now we would need a third one. Of course, what I would be looking for at these levels is for the price to come down and then come back up, and then we'll throw a fib on the price action, and then we get up to the 618, 786, 887, anywhere in there. Start to see, like a volume spike into that. Go short maybe. Okay. So that's what I would be looking for, something like that, because that's almost kind of right there. See, something like that. To give us some confluence, we can add an oscillator to it and just see if it gives us a bearish divergence. Go down to the 15 minutes, see what we're looking like here. I mean, this is a nice impulsive move going on here. I like it. But we are meeting some resistance, and we are topping out on our oscillators on the 15-minute. So yeah, this is where I would like to see the little bump, and then another bump where we get bearish divergence, just like this one right here. bump, bump. Whoop. And then high or low. Or lower high. My bad. Same here. Lower high. Come up. Come down. Put in. I was doing it backwards. I'm still waking up. It's okay. It's okay. Of course, we could always get something like this, and that is also a bearish divergence. Okay? That's also a bearish divergence. Bitcoin is moving. We'll try to keep an eye on that. Looks like everything's kind of moving a little bit. So JP Morgan says GBTC sell-off behind us as ETFs post record net outflow. Now, this isn't what I wanted to talk about on this new window. If this thing will open. Excuse me. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you are new, and hit that notification bell to be notified for whenever I create new content and when I go live. Google. What just happened? Why did I do that? I'm so confused. This is a total mine. Okay. What was up? Oh yeah, Twitter. So I looked up this thing yesterday. Actually, I think it's in that freaking article. I could have just clicked on it, but I bookmarked it. Oh, I just saw something. Set a reminder for the upcoming Billy Goat Tales Tuesday at 9:00 p.m. Think and Grow Rich. Learn from the best. Napoleon Hill. So Napoleon Hill will be joining the show. I don't know who that is, so I'm interested in listening in and finding out who that is and hearing their insights. So that should be fun. Let's go ahead and go to the bookmarks. I just want to go to this one. CC15 Capital. I don't know how accurate these numbers are, but I'm sure they're pretty close. So let me move me. All right, so these are the flows of Bitcoin on the ETFs. Total for all ETFs. You can see how this number's been kind of drifting downwards, but our net outflows posted a record of 125,000 BTC yesterday. So that's what we want to see, right? That's what we want to see. And you can see the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust has sent out 100 or sold, I guess, 106,575 BTC. He's the author of Think and Grow Rich. Oh, cool. So Napoleon Hill, the author of Think and Grow Rich. Thank you, Justin Eubanks, for informing all of us on that. So that is so definitely join Billy Goat Tales Tuesday at Billy Goat Tales on X. So yeah, we're seeing some record inflows, or outflows. That's what we want to see. We want to see the outflows. Google for the win. You just Googled it. I could have Googled it, but you Googled it. You Googled. You look it up for me. I can't speak. So yeah, JP Morgan says the sell-off may be done. BitMEX research is showing the same. BitMEX, the outflows are slowing down. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. What are we doing? All right, we still haven't done anything new. Yeah, I'm still very cautious here. Still very cautious. Now, if we do get up above this high and we're able to come up and get a nice close, not close, but a nice bounce from here and break this high, all right. Then it's time. Then it's time to get back to being super bullish. And I mean super bullish. Like super bullish. Did I say it? Super bullish. Yes, I'm using the same coffee mug for the 5th day in a row. Don't judge me. It's my best mug. I clean it, you freaks. Jesus. Anyway. So Bitcoin looking good. However, we never put in the bullish divergence. So that's what still has me concerned. I want to see the bullish divergence. We don't have to. First need to pass 41.5K, says Tony. I mean, maybe. I mean, yeah. I mean, it's gotta get through there. It's got to get through there. 41.5K would be a psychological level. So yeah, definitely for sure. 41.5, 42,000. Now, earlier in the week, I was saying 42,250 was a possibility before we roll over. Don't forget, we have FOMC next week also. And let's see if there's something else. Is there, I think there was, well, not CPI, core PCE. Core PCE index at 8:30. A little less than 2 hours. So yeah, keep that in mind. Personal income month over month, personal spending month over month, and pending home sales at 10 a.m. So probably going for that FVG. Yes. Probably going for that FEG. I really need to set up a trade. I really want to set up a trade. This is so cool. Excuse me. I had been in a long all week. Okay, guys, just to let y'all in on a little something. And last night, I got out of it because I was like, all right, it might be time for this thing to finally roll over. That was here. Okay. That was here. And then this happens. Oh boy. All right, we're getting into that fair value gap now. Let's bring up the Market Oracle Pro from Chart Prime. See what it's saying. It's saying take that profit. It's saying long take profit 1. So it's not giving us a max take profit just yet. That would be a red or orange check mark. This one's more of a purple. I don't even think you probably can barely even see that thing right there. So yeah, we need to get up there now. I'm not so sure we will get all the way up here. Oh man, tag that 786. Tag that 786. I think I'm gonna enter a short real quick. I think Billy, Crypto Billy just liked one of my tweets from yesterday saying that I was going live at 6:45. So, thank you, Billy. But you're late to the show. All right. I need yeah. We did get a buy signal here, and you know what? I saw that buy signal last night, and I was like, is this the pullback? that it was saying buy? Or is it going to be another one? Now, I still think there's a good possibility that this is just a little fake out, okay? So just don't be FOMOing into a long, okay? Just don't do it. You should know better. You should know better by now. New contract listing on Femex. Cool. So yeah, get your shorts in gear. Let's go ahead and throw up a fixed range volume profile. Shorts in order, shorts in gear, whatever. Let's see that. So we're above the value area high there, but if I took this in, okay, so there's your, all right, we've got a few confluences here, okay? We've got 786 on this whole move. We've got a fair value gap. We've got a value area high right there. We got the midpoint of the fair value gap. All of these are right there. And this is the Coinbase chart. So right there at $41,376. Okay? All right. That doesn't mean we can't go higher. Doesn't mean we can't. We haven't already hit our top. But it does mean it's time to practice caution. Now we do have some equal highs up here, so I would be looking for those to be taken out. And we could just come down here real quick, tag this fair value gap right here, maybe. If it leaves it there, that gives me more reason to believe that it's going to come back down to it. So if we just come up here, get up to this level here, then we have a possible bearish divergence put in. I know this is the 5 minute, but still. And then we come down. Let's go ahead. I'm going to set up short entry from there, and then we'll hope for the best. Wasn't too long from 39,555 and 39,525, but moved my stop loss too quick and got stopped out. Dang. It's all right, Tony. It's all right. We win some, we lose some, but we keep going on. Keep going on. Keep moving on. Excuse me. All right, moving on. Celsius moves a massive $1 billion in Ethereum to centralized exchanges. Repayments incoming. So defunct crypto lending platform. Who is this? Cointelegraph. Defunct crypto lending platform Celsius has been seen moving large amounts of Ether to centralized exchanges. Amid creditor expectations, the firm will start repaying creditors in liquid crypto in mid-February. On January 26th, there were several large transactions of Ether from the Celsius network wallet to deposit wallets for Paxos and Coinbase Prime. The largest transaction was for 443,961 ETH. Dang, worth $984, $1 billion basically. Million at the time of the transfer from Celsius to another network-controlled wallet in preparation for moving. Look at all these transactions. That's just wild. My intuition was right. Just my trading sucks. I feel like that. I feel like that sometimes, you know. I felt like that for a really long time. I'd be like, I've got it. Like I feel like I know what it's gonna do, but I make the dumbest decisions on it. And you let your emotions like take over, you know. It is what it is. But I was trying to be patient, dude. I was trying to be patient. And it just of course it went. I literally thought to myself, as soon as I do this, as soon as I close this out, it's gonna pump. Sure enough, wake up this morning, pumping. Like hit my target. Oh well. It is what it is. So yeah, Ethereum Spot on Chain reported that most of the 297,454 ETH sent to Coinbase was distributed to 12 fresh wallets, probably as part of an OTC deal. Who's buying the Ethereum? Who's buying the Ethereum? They're going to sell it. Celsius. Celsius is sending it, and they're going to sell it. Who knows? We'll see. What is Ethereum doing on the charts? Ethereum is doing the opposite of Bitcoin, and it is dumping. No, I'm kidding. 4 hour. 4 hours looking okay. Got a nice bounce off of our prime. What is this thing called? I still don't have all the names down for these things. This is the prime range, prime rib. We got the prime ribs because it kind of does look like some, the rib cage. Not I don't know. I'm still waking up, people. Leave me alone. I mean, stay here. I love you. Don't leave me alone. This would be a very, very weird show alone. Let's dig in a little deeper. We're on the 4 hour now. Now, Ethereum looks like it's in kind of like a Wyckoff, but I don't see a real spring. 1, 2, 3. I mean, that could be it. Let's go ahead and take a look at Wyckoff. Let's look at Wyckoff accumulation schematic. What is this? Is this how we're doing stuff now, Google? Google Chrome got an update. Is this how we're doing stuff now? I don't like it. What is all this nonsense? Yeah, this does kind of look like that, doesn't it? There's a better looking picture here. So there's our spring. But I don't know that we've got that. Right here. Is that going to be our spring? Secondary test, spring. So we need, there's our secondary test. We need the spring. This is coming up for the second high, come down for the spring, and then we can break up. That's it. That's the one. All right, so we're moving. What are we looking at for a top, possible top on ETH? There's going to be our more macro look right there. Lock it. Lock your fibs and hide your ribs. Especially from Mark Dutch. I don't care if he's here. I'm still talking crap about him because he's not here. Alright, this is the 1 hour. So yeah, this is what I'm looking for. Fixed range volume profile on that bad boy. See what we're looking like there. Oh, there's like nothing. It's been building up a nice little base here. Let's move this out a little bit. A lot of bit. Okay. So it starts getting heavy right about at that 786, just like on Bitcoin. So that's 2309 to 2328 to that 887. So if we do get up there, that's when I would start looking for our bearish signals. But we also have value area highway up here. Well, I don't like the way that looks. Not the way that it looks, but what about from the drop from this line? Okay, that makes more sense. So that's the nearest volume that we would have to run into. Why is my head doing this weird thing? Ow. Anyway, ETH BTC falling back into range before the breakout. So ETH BTC. Let's go ahead and go to that because it's breaking down. Breakout, what, to the downside? Breaking down, down. It's still got more to go, bro. It's got a lot more to go. It's about to lose a lot of dominance once Bitcoin gets its bottom wrapped up. Because Bitcoin's about to go on a tear, in my opinion. Like, it's about to be pretty crazy. And ETH is going to just crumble. Looking at 2.03 to 2.04. This is old. Ignore this. This is where I put this. But this area, this general area right here, that's a big general area. But 0.3 to 0.4. 0.03. 0.03 to 0.04. Get down into there, and then we can start talking about ETH getting some dominance back. All right. Let's get into the headline so I can wrap this up. Oh, thanks, LBC. Got to run. See y'all in the chats. Have a great day. Have a great day, Eubanks. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you, homie. Thanks for always sharing out the stream and all that stuff. And I really appreciate your support. Yeah, I get up and do this for you guys for sure. All right, the story. Have a great day, man. It's Friday. So, IOTA founder drops bombshell. EVM release date confirmed for March 31st, 2024. So, the IOTA founder, Dominique Shiner, Dominique Shiner, announced in a recent AMA session that the highly anticipated IOTA EVM, Ethereum Virtual Machine, will release on March 31st, 2024. IOTA has released version v1.0.0-alpha.2 pre-release featuring essential upgrades and enhancements. Now, I think IOTA stands for like Internet of Things app or something like that. In a recent Ask Me Anything hosted by KuCoin, IOTA founder Dominic Shiner unveiled a pivotal development for the IOTA community. Shiner confirmed that the long-anticipated IOTA EVM release is slated to occur on March 31st. This announcement marks a significant milestone for both the IOTA community and the Shimmer ecosystem. During the AMA, Shiner shared a roadmap of upcoming events and commitments for the first and second quarters of the year. Some key points highlighted include IOTA EVM launches scheduled for March. Also, the IOTA 2.0 testnet launch shall happen in quarter 2. Government adoption announcements are in the pipeline. Unveiling substantial deals in the realm of RWA, which is real world asset tokenization, amounting to hundreds of millions of dollars, and strategic focus on expanding presence in Korea, Japan, and Singapore. Shiner also encouraged stakeholders to stake their IOTA tokens on the IOTA EVM during late quarter 1 or early Q2 to become eligible for airdrops. The community further awaits these developments with heightened anticipation as the project looks to make significant strides in the coming months. As the protocol transitions into a more user-friendly platform with the upcoming EVM update, it is poised to expand as fully operational Layer 1 protocol. The enhanced EVM capabilities will also open avenues for promising projects like Sooniverse to seamlessly integrate with other Ethereum virtual machine compatible decentralized applications, fostering robust liquidity. And then goes into a major upgrade of the Alpha 0.2. And yeah, there you go. IOTA to the moon. IOTA finally getting some good news. Let's go ahead and take a look at the IOTA chart. And it has been moving a little bit. It's been seeing some nice movement. This is on the weekly chart. So let's go ahead and draw a trend line here from these tops. So we haven't quite gotten to those tops yet. If I go down and I try to touch more tops than we have, we've gotten down to that level. And now we wait. I would wait for this to come up and break that high and give us a nice little back test. And then I would be entering right there on IOTA to ride it up to the moon. From here to here. I mean, that right there is a 700% increase, okay? All right? Just that right there. That doesn't mean we're going to get it, but yeah. You know, my first take profit would probably be this high, okay? Will probably be that high. But yeah, I'm running up against the wall, guys. I say wall. I'm running up against time. I gotta get ready for work. I apologize for an abrupt end to the show, but I do appreciate you guys for showing up and showing out. Don't forget to go down into the link below, join the free Discord, and also go follow and sub to Alexo Crypto and the Piper Academy. Love those guys. Appreciate those guys. They've helped me out tremendously. And as always, use proper risk management. I am not a financial advisor. Okay? I'm just a guy that is an enthusiast for crypto and trading, and that's it. That's all I got, guys. I really hope that you all have a wonderful Friday. We made it a week. We did a week of Lunar Beaches Crypto in the morning. Yay. Yay. No, that I really, it's been awesome. It has been awesome to do this. But yeah, it's time to get this day out of the way and have a great weekend. I hope you all have a great weekend, and I will see you guys in the Discord, in the chats, and back on stream on Monday. Love you all. Thank you for joining me. Peace out.